I am 90 kgs. There was a teacher, she would make some disgusting faces. Uncle जैसी लग रही हूँ. It's been 2 years. Sorry. पता नहीं मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ, गंदी लग रही हूँ. Slowly. एक बच्चे पे क्या असर पड़ता है? They just don't have any idea about it. Too much. मैंने किया. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as I mentioned in my previous community post last week, that in today's video, I am going to announce something big. Here it is. I'm going to take a 90 days weight loss challenge, or I must say I'm restarting my journey. Previously, I was 90 kgs. Here you can see my pics. I will show it here. I became 90 kgs when it was lockdown. I was just 16 and that thing was traumatizing for me. I was so depressed, so traumatized that I am 90 kgs. And when your friend circle and everything, when your friend circle and everyone is so slim and trim and looks so good, and I used to feel so depressed all the time. So back then in 2022, I became 75 kgs. Yes, it was a long process, but trust me, it was worth it. Here you can see my pics as well. But after that, I could not continue my journey because I had some medical issues. So the doctor told me that do not do anything, exercise and all. So I was again depressed that oh, I can never lose weight. I'll be the same 90 kgs and all. So उस time period में मैंने फिर से खाना चालू कर दिया और at again मैंने फिर से 5 से 7 केजेस गेन कर लिए थे. It was 80 to 83 on and off, right? Then in 2023 again I started my journey slowly. I walked, then I ran, and it became 80 to 76 to 80. It used to fluctuate between 76 to 80, and currently I am 79. So again I want to start my journey, and I want to start it with you guys. It will keep me accountable. So in today's video, I am going to talk about a lot of things. Let's start with restarting this journey. In this 90 days course, what I'm going to do is avoid junk food, eat healthy food, basically home cooked food, and exercise 30 to 30 minutes. Now talking about exercise, I love running. Yes, I developed this habit over the 2 years and now I just love it. मुझे पता नहीं मैंने सारे exercises किए हैं, Chloe Ting के किए हैं, Emmy Wong के किए हैं, but it didn't work for me that well. But running helped a lot. Touch wood, I have a treadmill at home and so I can easily do it. You wouldn't believe me, when I started running, I couldn't even run for 30 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. I was that inactive. But now, will you trust me again? I can run 4 minutes straight. Yes, that's the power of consistency. We will come back to this later. अभी जो चल रहा है चलने देते हैं. So in this 90 days, I will upload one short every day about what I'm eating to help me lose weight and the exercise I am doing. That will keep me accountable. Lately, I am struggling with accountability. मुझे पता है मेरे वीडियो पे व्यूज नहीं आने वाले हैं, ठीक है. यूट्यूब प्रमोट नहीं करता, आप लोग क्लिक नहीं करते या कुछ भी है. आई डोंट नो, आई हैव नो आइडिया कि मेरा कंटेंट आपको एंगेजिंग लगता है, नहीं लगता है, क्यों नहीं करते. आई डोंट नो. और अगर ऐसा कुछ भी है ना, प्लीज लेट मी नो, ताकि मुझे पता चल सके, ठीक है. तो मैं वैसे ही वीडियोस बनाऊं. सो इफ यू हैव एनीथिंग इन माइंड लाइक दैट, प्लीज लेट मी नो. आई विल ट्राई टू ब्रिंग दोज वीडियोस यू लाइक और व्हाट यू वुड वांट टू सी. बट अगर ये वीडियो एक भी पर्सन देखता है, एक भी, एंड दे गेट बेनिफिट आउट ऑफ इट, इट विल मीन अ लॉट फॉर मी. क्योंकि मुझे पता है बीइंग एन ओबीस पर्सन हाउ इट फील्स टू बी ट्रैप्ड इन योर ओन बॉडी. ओबीस बॉडी, आई मस्ट से. Now let's proceed to 3 questions. I want you to ask yourself 3 simple questions. Answer me or write it down wherever you want, or you can also write it down in the comments as well. But you need to be very serious about it. So the questions are: first, what exactly you want. Be very detailed, very precise about it. Second, determine the price you have to pay. The price you have to pay to achieve your goals, the course of actions you need to take. For example, in this matter, you need to eat healthy, avoid junk food, outside food, exercise regularly, control yourself, control binge eating, choosing your goal over and over again every day, becoming consistent. That takes a lot, trust me. So determine if you are able to pay that. And finally, third, the most important question, are you willing to pay it? The price, the sacrifices you need to pay to achieve your dream, your goal, are you willing to pay it? If only in your mind a screaming yes pops up, then yes, let me tell you, yes, you can make it. You can make it through. But remember, if you have a small to smallest confusion about this question's answer, then it's a no. Trust me, it's a no. When you have a confusion about some question, na, that's a no. Okay. Now let's come to TDEE. What is TDEE? TDEE stands for Total Daily Energy Expenditure. It represents the total number of calories your body needs to burn in a day, taking into account your basal metabolic rate, which is BMR, your physical activity level, and the thermic effect of food. Okay, so let's calculate TDEE together. First, you have to open the Google and type TDEE calculator and search it. और जितने भी डिटेल्स यहाँ पे पूछा गया है उसे हमें फिलअप करना है. I'll just go on with it. 20, female. My height is 170 centimeter and I am 79 kgs. My activity level is exercise 4 to 5 times a week. Yes. Now let's calculate. My TDEE is 2332 calories. So as you saw, my TDEE is 2332 calories. So if I want to maintain my current weight, I will have to eat this much calories every day. Now, if I want to lose weight, I will have to eat less than this. Maybe 2 to 300 or 400 calories less than this. And if I want to gain weight, then I will eat more than this. Okay. If you want a detailed video about this, please let me know in the comments. I will make sure to make it for you. Now, one thing very important I want to tell you, please don't opt for any crash diets. Okay. As I told you, I was 90 kgs and I was so depressed at that time. मैंने YouTube पे एक crash diet देखा था and it said that you need to have 3 boiled eggs and 1 apple and a cup of green tea every day. Okay, for breakfast, for lunch and for dinner. 3 times you have to eat that thing only. And it was टू मच. मैंने 3 दिन तक वो किया एंड उसके बाद से मैं आई कैन नॉट ईट बॉइल्ड एग एनी मोर. वो स्मेल जो है ना मेरे दिमाग में बैठ गया है. आई कांट जस्ट वो फिशी वाला स्मेल. आई जस्ट कैन नॉट टेक दिस एनी मोर. It's been 2 years. Sorry, it's been 4 years. Yes, it's been 4 years. I still cannot eat boiled egg. कुछ भी करो एक हद तक करो, उससे ज़्यादा जाके मत करो. It will damage. It will bring the disaster. Nothing else gonna happen. Okay. और एक चीज़ I want to say, if you want to cut your calories, don't go too much. Okay. You can just cut down 300 to 400 calories, but don't go beyond that because हाँ हो सकता है you will lose weight very fast. Okay. You lose weight very fast, but you will have loose skin, you will lose your muscles as well, which is not what we want, right? We want to lose the weight, we want to lose the fat, not our muscles. I want to share my journey with you, how I became this much fat. बचपन में I used to stay alone at home because मम्मी पापा दोनों ही working individuals है, so I used to stay alone at home and food was my friend. कुछ भी होता था I used to eat food. अच्छा नहीं लग रहा eat food and watch TV of course. And at that moment of time, I didn't have any idea about calories and weight gain. I used to think why I'm not losing weight. I did not have any physical activities because I had no friend. Just because I was fat, I had no friends. I will come back to later. And this is how year after year, it does compounds, right? So ऐसा होते I became that. But now the informations are available, so we can just of course get our lives back together on the track. Now let's talk about insecurity. I am very insecure person. Like just for my body, मुझे बाहर जाना अच्छा नहीं लगता, लोगों से बात करना अच्छा नहीं लगता. When I walk on the road, I feel so disgusted or so self-aware that पता नहीं मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ, गंदी लग रही हूँ, लोग क्या सोच रहे होंगे. I'm looking so bad and shallow. I feel so bad about myself. And there are my some friends. I'll say some friends. Okay, they are like, no, you look good, so good. You look so good. You're looking so nice in that dress and all that jazz. But me, deep inside, I feel so bad about myself. No matter I'm wearing the most beautiful dress, I'm looking pretty, people are saying I'm looking pretty, but I myself, I don't feel pretty. This is very saddening, but I just don't. I have got bullied a lot in school. Just because I was fat, I got bullied a lot, right? ठीक है, बच्चे हैं, स्टूडेंट्स हैं, चलो मान लेते हैं, बट द टीचर्स, there was a teacher, she would make some disgusting faces while looking on me or taking a class. She would just be very disgusted. तो मुझे, मैं घर पे आती थी, मैं मम्मी को बोलती थी, आई यूज्ड टू क्राई अ लॉट दैट लोग मुझे ऐसे बोल रहे हैं, स्कूल में ऐसे बोल रहे हैं, टीचर्स ऐसे कर रहे हैं, तो शी यूज्ड टू बी लाइक ठीक है मैं जाके बात करूंगी उनसे, बट आई वाज लाइक क्या फायदा बात करके, दे आर गोइंग टू बी लाइक दैट, इट डजंट मैटर टू देम बिकॉज वो उनके साथ नहीं हो रहा है ना, दे विल नेवर गेट अ थिंग दैट क्या हो रहा है, कैसा लगता है, एक बच्चे पे क्या असर पड़ता है, दे जस्ट डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया अबाउट इट. एंड from there my insecurity grew and grew and grew, and it's like, oh, very big thing on my head. I want to get rid of it, honestly, I want to get rid of it. And as I told you, I was 75 kgs 2 years back. The way people treat you differently is just, it's very nice, at the same time it's very disgusting, because for the new you, for the new you, new body, you feel so nice that, oh yeah, I'm getting all these compliments and all, but you know, somewhere deep within you just feel that kya fayda, they just like the outer appearance, they don't value you, right? So it's a very mixed feelings, but you feel yourself good, you feel good within, you feel carefree, you feel confident, and confidence comes within. When you are happy in your own skin, you feel confident, and which I want to feel a lot. जबकि मैंने फील किया हुआ है, आई वॉन्ट टू फील मोर, सो माई गोल इज 55 to 60 kgs, whatever will look good on me, because as I am 170 centimeters, so जो भी अच्छा लगेगा I'll stick to that. इससे ज़्यादा शायद मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँगी तो I'll get very emotional about this insecurity and bully. It was 2023, I was so depressed about it that मैं कोई अंकल जैसी लग रही हूँ, या फिर I'm looking like some old auntie and all, I'm not looking good. I, it was so bad. I don't want to talk about it. I really wanted to that मैं इस वीडियो में आके I'll talk about those things, but I don't think I'll be able to pull up those feelings because those are really bad feelings. Okay, whatever, let's come back to the point. As I'm starting my journey, here are the pictures and measurement. You can see the measurements now, and here are the current pictures of mine. Yes, I will smile in every picture, before and after also. Please stay along in this journey with me, and if you are joining me too, or if you have faced anything like this, please let me know. I want to know who, like, जितने भी लोग हैं क्या फील किया नहीं किया, आई रियली वांट टू नो. ठीक है, मुझे पता है व्यूज नहीं आने वाले हैं, बट स्टिल अगर एक भी हो ना आप, प्लीज लेट मी नो. ओके, व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इज, एज आई सेड, आई विल पोस्ट शॉर्ट every day, and I'll show you what I'm eating, and every week or every 2 weeks I will make a long form video of how I'm feeling, how much weight I have lost, and how many inches I have lost. Okay, so stay tuned for that, and please join this challenge, stay along with me, let's get back on track, let's grow together. Okay, thank you for watching this video, thank you a lot for listening everything. As I said, if you have listened, okay, if you have listened, thank you so much for this, and you have come along such a long video, so thanks a lot for that. Please consider subscribing this channel, support me, and tell me aapko kaise videos dekhne hain, so I can look forward to that, right? My expertise are makeups, fashion, vlogs, I guess. I'm not sure about vlog, but yeah, I will continue this weight loss series even after I achieve my goal, how I am maintaining it. So please subscribe and be a part of my family. Thank you so much. Bye. See you in the next video.